Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the display brightness on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If your car's infotainment screen is too bright or too dark, you can change the brightness in the settings. Follow the steps to learn how to change the display brightness on the Nissan Qashqai. Tap Settings in the bottom right of the infotainment screen. Then tap the arrow on the right side to get to the second settings page. Choose More Settings from the options. Then tap Display. Choose Brightness from the options. You can now use the slider to increase or decrease the display brightness. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.